Feeling a bit overwhelmed today? Ever thought about how a serene, tranquil space might help? Welcome to the world of Zen Gardens, originating in the ancient land of Japan, where aesthetics and peace converge in a harmonious dance. These gardens are not merely about beauty, they're about cultivating tranquility and balance. They are a mindful arrangement of elements, a testament to the power of simplicity. Imagine a peaceful garden, right there in your own home, a place for reflection, tranquility, and balance. So how does one create a Zen garden? It's a simple yet sophisticated process. Start with a clear space, ready to mirror the calm within you. Arrange rocks, the islands of your mind, amidst a sea of carefully raked sand or gravel. Introduce plants like bamboo or moss that not only thrive but also enhance the aesthetic of your tranquil haven. Each element, meticulously chosen and placed, contributes to the overall harmony. With these steps, you're on your way to creating a serene oasis right in your backyard. But why go through all this effort to create a Zen garden, you might be wondering? The answer lies in its multitude of benefits. A Zen garden is the perfect space for meditation, allowing you to find stillness amidst the chaos of everyday life. It reduces stress, serving as a tranquil escape from the pressures of the world. Additionally, it enhances the beauty of your home, adding a touch of elegance and harmony. A Zen garden isn't just a pleasing sight, it's a sanctuary for your mind and soul. Ready to embark on this journey of creating your Zen garden? It's a wonderful opportunity to craft a space that reflects your taste, aligns with your surroundings, and resonates with the peaceful principles of Zen gardening. With every careful placement of a stone, each rhythmic rake across the sand, you're not just designing a garden, but cultivating tranquility and balance. Remember, your Zen garden is not just a garden. It's a symbol of tranquility and balance, a personal sanctuary right at home.